Hey there! My name is James, and I am a virtual expert of Merehead company. Today we are going to talk about NFT Marketplace creation process. What is NFT, and how to create your own NFT Marketplace in 5 steps. Ready? Let's go then. Non-fungible token, or NFT, is a digital token that is designed to work as a digital certificate of proprietary rights for physical or virtual assets, such as photos, videos, tweets, codes, etc. Each NFT is a unique, non-fungible, indivisible digital asset. This means that NFT is different from Bitcoin and Ethereum, so they cannot be traded or used as a payment method. For example, a picture of a cute girl that smiles in front of a burning house. This picture is called the Disaster Girl meme. 21 years old American Zoe Rott, the girl in the photo, sold the meme for $500,000. And there are a lot of other different examples of NFT. Let's find out how does it work. Unlike with Bitcoin and Ethereum, you cannot trade your tokens directly on crypto exchanges. To buy and sell NFTs, you will need a special platform that helps to release, store and trade non-fungible tokens. Today the most popular marketplaces are OpenSea, Rarible, etc. They use special smart contracts to generate NFTs and add the token to a unique data form called metadata. Then main parameters are added: name, non-fungible feature, indivisible feature, address, number, etc. Next, the non-fungible tokens can be bought and sold on the platform for a fixed price or at an auction. On the client side, NFT marketplaces work like regular online shops. The user needs to create an account on the platform and a digital wallet to store NFTs and cryptocurrencies. Then the user can use any listing to buy NFTs or create their token. The launch of an NFT is simple and looks like creating an eBay ad. You will need to state the name, price, a brief description, and an image, photo, video, GIF, and others. Many NFTs are used to make money out of various digital art pieces, starting at digital copies of real pictures and ending up with memes. For example, on the OpenSea platform you can buy, sell, send images, videos, GIFs, and music. This platform is powered by Ethereum and creates NFTs by using the ERC-721 and ERC-1155 protocols. However, art is not the only niche where NFTs can be applied. You can use it to trade collectibles, game characters, property, virtual worlds, investment offers, and any other sector where the proprietary right can be turned into a token. The most important thing is to create a marketplace that will work with your proprietary rights needs. For example, you want to develop an NFT marketplace to trade art, and in general, all you need to do is to develop an online shop. The server part should have the ability to process, store, sell, and trade NFTs. It is relatively simple. If you want to have an NFT platform for property trading, you will need to develop something like Zillow or Trulia. These platforms work with MLS databases, find the location of the user, etc. And this works with other niches too. Here are some other examples. Main abilities of the marketplace. The NFT marketplace combines the features of an auction, online shop, and blockchain platform that issues non-fungible tokens. The user should be able to create their NFT products and sell them. Moreover, comfortable marketplaces offer additional functions to attract and keep more clients, and to improve the general user experience on the platform. Consider starting from the following things when you develop your own NFT marketplace. Shop window. This function offers users to check all the necessary information on the lot: name, price, description, owner, payment method, rating, etc. Search engine. Be sure that your users can easily find the item they need. It would be a good idea to divide various assets into categories such as art, photography, video, domes, memes, and music, so the users will navigate easily on the platform. Sign up login. To sell and buy NFTs on the platform, the user should create an account. The sign-up process is usually done through emails, phone numbers, or social media accounts. Creating an ad. This process should be simple and fast. Perfectly, it should be similar to eBay. NFTs wallet. The users need a wallet to send, get, and store NFT tokens and cryptocurrencies. The easiest solution is integration with popular cryptocurrency wallets. Trading history. This will help to understand how popular is the platform, what is being sold there, and the price. Reviews and ratings. It shows whether the lot seller is praised by the users. This information helps to estimate the specific lots. Notifications. You can develop a push notification system to inform the users about new bets in their preferred category or shops, the status change, new messages, selling their lot, or updating the NFT platform. Support. The support service will help the users to find answers, solve their issues and confrontations. It can be whether a call center or email support, informational platform or chatbot. Non-fungible tokens standard. To run an NFT based on blockchain, you will need to follow a range of requirements that guarantee the asset work properly and have the necessary functions of an asset. Today, the most popular standards for NFT launch are ERC 721, ERC 1155, BEP. NFT Marketplace development steps. The trading platform for purchasing and selling NFT is a difficult kind of software. The developers should have a lot of experience, as Merehead does. Step 1. Starting the project. On the first step of launching an NFT marketplace, you and the developers need to study the details of your project, estimate the technical part and the general concept. Here, you will need to answer the following questions. What is your niche? How you will sell NFTs? Who is your target audience? The answers to these questions will show you the direction of the development process and will help to decide on the features of your NFT marketplace. When the general concept and specification are ready, the developers can make you a development plan, estimate the time you will need and the budget. Then you can start making a project. Step 2. Making a project and development process. Firstly, you and the business analyst or the designers make a concept of the user interface, frameworks, templates, prototypes. You describe the user stream and the functions. Then an effective architecture of the trading platform is created. User experience, user interface. Be sure that the design will be appreciated by the audience and that it will be simple enough so anybody can figure out how to use it. It should remind them of Amazon or eBay. Backend and smart contracts. On this level, there are a lot of important functions of the business logic and marketplace are developed, including the blockchain, smart contracts, wallets, and auction mechanism. Many NFTs are sold on auctions. Front end. The main task of the front-end development is to provide a simple interface, security measures, and productivity. Step 3. Testing of the product. The QA team runs a few checking cycles to see that the project has no critical issues and bugs. Moreover, the content, usability, security, reliability, and productivity are also tested in various possible scenarios. Step 4. Releasing and supporting. After the testing is over, it is time to release the NFT platform to a cloud server. Please, keep in mind that this is not the last step, since you will need to organize the work of the support center. Moreover, the further development of the platform should be planned, so it follows the market tendencies and meets the user's requirements. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you and good luck with your project from Merehead.